Ang hininga niya parang
and it's all red, bright red. It looks so pretty.
Binali ko na naman itong jacket kasi I just wore this the other day or yesterday, I think the other day. Good morning to me. Come. Good morning, baby. Last night, I decided to come down here and sleep on the floor with my pups, with my dogs. So, yeah, and then 3 o'clock, I think 3:30, I decided to come back upstairs because Roxy won't stop crying. I let them out, but she just kind of very whiny. So I decided to go back upstairs, and then Roxy on the stairs this morning. Ngayon lang talaga, hindi siya, ay talagang maingay talaga guys, umiiyak na umiiyak. Gusto niya akong bumaba, so bumaba ako. Pinalabas ko doon, nakaano lang siya, nakaupo. Pinalabas ko dahil iyak na iyak. So tignan nyo, nakaupo lang. Diyan yung ano niya, lugar niya. Diyan siya masaya. So look, nakikinig lang yung kigwahon, no? Kigwahon, nakikinig ang kigwahon. Ha? Nakikinig ang kigwahon? Nakikinig na eh? Oh, nakikinig. Are you being a good girls? Or no? You're just making too much noisy rocks. You know why she been crying, guys? Come here. I know, she be crying because you poo-poo. Nalibang siya, guys. Nagpoo-poo siya yun. Kaya iyak nang iyak. Kasi ayaw niya dito. Ayaw niya dito, guys. Yun ang ano ko kay Roxy, guys. Ayaw niya ditong magpoo-poo sa loob ng bahay. Kasi alam niya mapagalitan. Mapagalitan na naman. Kausa na lang. So we're going to the party today. And take shower also. I need a shower. To feel this once again. I'm having Lipton tea. Kasi parang hindi tuloy-tuloy itong sakit ko. So, ito Lipton. Binili namin na tummy kahapon, guys, with the pomelo that we got. And also, nag-microwave lang ako I don't have cereal today. So, I'm having anong tawag nito, guys? Ay, naku. Oatmeal. Natutulog pa yung biyanan ko, guys, and sabi ko sa kanya maligo siya ngayon. Umaga kasi 2:30 kami alis dito. Hindi lang naman malayo, mga 40 to 35 minutes ata yung layo ng bahay ng puntahan namin. Si Roxy, nag-alala ako, guys, grabe pala. Nag-alala ako kasi grabe yung si Roxy. So pumunta ako sa taas, guys, and I took a shower. And then, pagkatapos doon, no, I'm not to take a shower. I'm ready to take a shower. So, sabi ko, punta kayo dito. So, pinapunta ko sila taas. Hindi ko na alam pala na marami ng suka dito sa baba. Yung suka niya, yung kinain niya, sinuka niya lahat. Yung kinain niya doon sa rug, sa sliding door doon niya sinuka. So, nilabhan ko. So, pero marami na mga, guys, dami pala, guys. Mga 50 ata, mga spot. Ano siya, puti. Bubble siya. Hindi siya watery, parang bubble siya na puti. Kahit anong lugar. So, nilinis ko. Hindi ko na alam na mayroon na pala dito sa baba. So, pinapunta ko sila sa taas. Ang dami na naman. Naliligo ako. Sabi ko, Roxy, what are you feeling? She tried to throw up in the bathroom. And then, she cannot. And then, when I went out from the shower, nakita ako doon, marami na sa labas, sa rug. So, buti na lang, hindi siya watery na nagsusok yun talaga. Para lang siyang puti ba na bubble, na slimy. Ang hininga niya parang, like that, guys. Nag-alala ako. Ano ba to? Anong kinain niya? Kasi si Misty, okay naman si Misty. Wala namang ano. Si Roxy, pinalabas ko. Suka ng suka. Pagkatapos ng, hindi ko inaway. I don't punish her because, you know, she doesn't feel good. She kept throwing up, guys. She can't stop. She kept throwing up. Tinitingnan ko lang kasi wala naman ako magawa. Binigyan ko sila ng phones, hindi niya kinain, si Misty lang. At saka ang nangyari, inom siya ng tubig. Parang na siya, na dehydrate ba? Suka ng suka. Wala na siyang masuka. Puti na. Puti na. Parang wala na. Babol na lahat. Puti. Ano bang gawin ko eh? Ano bang kinain niya na nakasama sa ano niya? Sa stomach niya. Yung baba niya guys. Na may pagka... Nag-alala ako eh. Anong nangyari sa baby ko eh? What happened to my baby eh? Oh, do you want your bones now, baby? Come here. It's right here, my love. It's right here. Come here. No? She doesn't want to. Now she's going to drink water again. What happened, baby? She's going to drink water again, guys. Inom siya ng tubig na dehydrate ata sa kasusuka. Suka ng suka kasi. So, yun ang nangyari. Ay, nako. Iwan. Mag-alala na ako, guys, nito. Naiwan tong mga to. What's wrong, baby? What happened, baby? What did you eat? What did you eat? Oh, it breaks my heart like this, eh. Ang sakit, guys. Ganito, guys, ba, na hindi mo alam kung anong nararamdaman. Rox, it's okay. It's okay, baby. You can throw up all you want. I'm not, you cannot control it. It's okay. It's okay, my love. I love you. I love you so much. I love you very much. That you cannot tell me what you feel. Mama's right here. You cannot see me. Mama's right here, baby. Namahan ko si Roxy sa labas kanina kasi nag-iisa siya at saka tignan nyo, wala pa rin ganang gumalaw-galaw. Si Misty doon. Wala pang ganang gumalaw-galaw. So, yung biyanan ko guys, naliligo siya. Wala pa nga siyang breakfast, 12 o'clock na. Naliligo siya at saka nilutuan ko na lang siya ng egg para hindi siya magluluto pa. Kain na lang siya. At saka kakain ako ng sandwich na ginawa ng asawa ko. Ito. Hello guys, katatapos ko lang nag-ready. Time check, it's 2:17 in the afternoon. So, anyway. So, tapos na akong nag-makeup. Sana okay tong makeup ko. Hindi sobrang dramatic. Okay lang naman. Okay lang naman. So, anyway, ito yung suot ko guys. Long skirt from Forever 21. And ito from Forever 21. And ito... I think this is all Forever 21. All of this. I think I got this from Forever 21.
And I wanted to take time, 2 minutes for you to look at the pants and see if they look right on me. These were we bought before. And the ones we bought, I'm going to try also because I...
Oh, I like that tree. I like the tree.
Yeah. Oh, look how pretty they look. Your tree's in front of the deck.
No.
One is almost completely changed, and the other one is all changed.
Not yet.
And then that little bush next to the gate on by the deck.
Yeah.
And it's all red, bright red. It looks so pretty. Yeah, some change faster. Like look at this one; it's almost all done.
Yeah.
Some change colorful faster than the others. I see the. Oh, it says you Lloyd my heart. You touch my heart. Oh, it's a touch. I thought it was just speaking of it.
I record this stupidity.
Yeah. Thanks a lot.
Ano ba to? Akala ko meron namang tubig dito. I think merong tubig dito. Oh, dito oh, merong tubig, Claire. Gusto. Pero na, oh, i-open mo na lang yun.
Ano ang sabi mo? Yung doktor,
Inilagay si Ate Claire ngayon, guys. Andito siya kasama ko. Hi! Naalala niya siya, guys, nung ano ba yun, yung Christmas? Christmas yun, kasama tayo sa bahay, di ba? Yung nag-dancing-dancing tayo.
Oh, doon, sa New Rochelle. Oh.
No, sa bago bahay.
Hindi Christmas yun. Hindi ako naka-attend ng Christmas mo. Yung Christmas party na nagpunta ako sa iba ng Albany.
So, ano pala yun?
Parang holiday lang, memorial.
This year, di ba? This year ba yun? Memorial.
Parang May yata. May 31, Memorial Day.
Just taking video.
I was looking at your lens. Whose cell phone is this? There are 2 cell phones here.
Dr. Justin. Dr. Justin. Dr. Justin. Oh, wait.
We're ready? You on video?
Steve, you have to come here. Wait.
I gotta play it.
Yes, Steve.
Baby Steven. How we doing? We good?
Good. Ready? Steven, you have to come here, though.
All right.
Nice and loud.
As loud as it goes.
It's a girl. It's a girl.
It's a baby.
It's a baby.
So I was right, because I said it's a boy, it's a girl.
Middle of the lawn.
Hi guys, andito na kami sa bahay. Inom lang ako ng tubig. Kaya naman guys, masaya yung reveal gender revelation, something like that. Pero masaya siya. Did you guys eat your dindin? No, you don't even touch your dindin, oh. You don't even touch your dindin, baby. Are you feeling good na? Are you feeling good na, Rox? Okay na. Christmas trees on na. Yes, are you feeling okay na? Are you feeling okay? Yes? Okay, come here. I'll give you something. Come. following. Come. Come here. Oh, you want some of this? Come. Come, come. It smells so good. Yes. Come here, Mitch. Come here, Mitch. Mitchy, go. Come here. Come here, Mitch. Ah, you don't want it, Mitch? Okay. Then you don't want, okay. I'll put this in your dindin. Hirap na itong tanggalin, guys. Itong eyeliner ko, mahirap itong tanggalin dahil ano ito, elf na gel eyeliner. Mahirap itong tanggalin. Mom? I'm going upstairs. You going up? Yeah. Okay. Good night. Night. Kunin ko lang to. Meron akong kalat dito sa floor dito kasi I was cleaning my nails here. Anyway guys, so tatapusin ko lang tong vlog na ito, guys. I will end the vlog now and I will see you tomorrow. Good night, guys. Salamat sa panonood and yeah, I'm just going to take off my makeup and I will see you tomorrow, guys. Bye. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
The minute we walk out, they're like,
Hey, because you can like that.
Because